Oh my God, Leo, the market is bouncing. Oh no, I cannot be buying puts here. Leo, I hate you. It's going higher. Oh my God, Leo, it's dropping. Oh my God, it's dropping. I thought it was going high. Leo, it's dropping. Oh my God, should I buy puts now? No, you should have been buying puts when I told you to buy puts, which is when? On the fucking bounce, damn it. If you just focus on trading the bounces instead of focusing on the bullshit noise about tariffs, you're going to make a ton of money as a trader in 2025. Just understand, it's very simple. Don't complicate shit. Stagflation 2025. Bounce, drop, bounce, drop, bounce, drop. Majority of the bounces will resolve in a drop within 24 hours. And you got to completely ignore the bullishness that sometimes you will completely forget about your base case, your trading plan, your strategy. When you see and there's like green candle after green candle after green candle, you're sitting there thinking like, oh my God, well, no, sure enough, we're not crashing. We're going high. They're going to prop the market, the Trump put, the power put, blah, 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 all this shit that you begin thinking it's garbage. Okay, focus on the sequence of moves. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about the craziest shit that's happening right now, guys. And that is the great manipulation of the economic data. So a recent example today on March 6, 2024, the first piece of evidence we get at 7:30, which are job cuts. So the number of job cuts month over month goes up by 350%. Basically, instead of 49,000 cuts month over month, now we're getting 172,000 cuts. The next piece of data is 8:30 jobless claims, which, oh my God, magic, they don't go up. They go down below expectations. Now, please tell me, someone that has a brain, please tell me, okay, how's that? 172,000 people lose a job, and I would dare say that the number is way fucking higher than that, but let's just go with that number. Out of 172,000 people that got cut, none of them make it to the unemployment office to file for the unemployment benefits? How the fuck is that remotely possible? Well, I'm going to tell you how that's possible. It's called the greatest data manipulation. So what you will find out next week or one of the next few weeks is they're going to say, oh, well, we were wrong last week. The actual number was, oh, shit, oh, my God, looks like we were fucking wrong. It's up. It was actually up fucking 400,000, unemployment claims, but we could only calculate it to be 220, So they're basically going to fluff the numbers now. They're going to readjust them later. But guess what? The only time you would want to do this if you are artificially trying to make sure that the markets don't go for their natural course. But when it is so obvious, okay, you got 172,000 people fucking lost a job, and they're saying like, fuck it, I don't need the money. I'm not gonna go to the office and apply for that, for the unemployment. I don't need it. Like, seriously, come on. Who the fuck is going to believe that? So, like, when they're throwing that stuff right in your face, like, as a trader, you're just like, man, are they that fucking desperate? Like, seriously, okay? Because based off the move sequence, okay, we're in a highly bearish fucking sequence, guys, and I got some great fucking news, okay, for those of you that are short sellers, that the market is about to absolutely go and make another leg lower. You understand that? We're only trading like 100 points off October lows. We came in as little as like 60 points away from October lows. We're going to retest that level again today. And there's chances that we are going to break that level today or tomorrow. And that leaves us with the next support level on S&P 500 at like 5,200, which is like not even that far ago. It was like August 5th lows. So, guys, The market is on the verge of the major move. I'm not even talking about the velocity of the move, guys. The velocity, the speed at which the move is developing now in certain instances. And the speed of the drop always exceeds the speed of the bounce, even on the days like you've seen in the last couple of days. But there was a moment when the market pumped by 100 points within a few hours, just to drop 110 points in under 30 minutes of trading in the last hour of the trading session. And guys, that tells you that we are up in a territory where VIX could actually spike to a level of 3650. At the moment I'm recording this, VIX is in like 22, 23 area. So VIX could double or triple by Monday. And this is only Thursday morning with this great manipulation of the economic data situation. So nobody is ready for a further drop because the general consensus right now, the bottom is in. Tom Lee on CNBC. So first Tom Lee goes on CNBC Monday and says, hey guys, well, looks like we set a bottom on Friday. And then he goes on CNBC again after the market drops extra 300 points after he thought the bottom was already in. And then Wednesday he says again, well, I think now for sure we bottomed, okay? And then the market pumps a little into the close. And then, pre-market this morning, we're down. We're down in the red, tracking for a solid move 3. So basically, majority of the Wall Street strategists, they already think the bottom is in. You could not wish for a better fucking setup, okay? Because chances are that they're 100% wrong. So now, some of you that have not been trading long enough, you may not know that, you may think Tom Lee is the guy who gets always everything right, but that's probably because you started trading maybe in the last 2 years. In the last 2 years, he's got everything right. But if you go back to the last Trump's presidency, Tom Lee couldn't get anything right. I'm talking about 2017, 18, 19, 20. He did not get a single fucking thing right. So chances are that I would say there's a high probability outcome that he is wrong on his estimates that the market have set the bottom. Based off the sequence, guys, we're tracking for a huge move expansion. At the same time, we have already witnessed an extreme velocity. Do you understand what this velocity is? There was a moment this week when the market was moving to the downside at a speed of 3 points per minute on S&P 500. Now, in comparison, on an average day, the speed of the drop could be like 0.2, 0.3. Majority of the days, it's 0.1. So we have a velocity speed of the drop going exponentially 10, 20x higher than normally. And where that puts us is a situation where there is an indication based on the velocity currently present in the markets that we could be going by 1,200 points lower on S&P over the course of next few weeks. Now, I'm estimating personally that we could hit the bottom low Monday or Tuesday. But until then, we're going for a sequence of 3-3-3 moves. So don't panic when you see a green fucking candle. That is your chance. When the market pumps, you short. Okay? You don't go exit your puts on a fucking bounce. Hell no. You don't go buy calls on a fucking bounce. Hell no. Okay? You focus on the pattern. You focus on the move and you stay with it. So study the 30 market moves. If you've taken a course in the past and you need a refresher, you need to go do it now because the moves are popping in daily with a high intensity. And if you just know which pattern you're trading, is going to give you a high level of confidence to go in and trade it like an AI machine. No emotions, just pure focus and calculations. And that basically seals the deal for you to not deviate from a strategy even when the market goes temporarily against your positions. You don't blink, you don't jump out, you don't become a market's bitch just because temporarily the trade may be going against you. So most of the people, unfortunately, cannot stick to their fucking trades. On bounces, they cannot add a substantial amount to their positions on bounces. And for that reason, we have the coaching program. That is the fucking reason. So if you lack the discipline to actually implement the plan, trade with the 30 Market Moves coach. Anyways, guys, the great manipulation of data. We got a severe bear sequence of, yesterday was a 4 move, so now we're at 4, heading into 3-3-3 or 4-3-3-3 13 sequence, which would indicate the bottom on Monday or Tuesday. But until then, we got way too much room for VIX to fly higher, for the markets to drop. We got 50 points on upside and 700 points of downside for the next 3 trading days, guys. So trade it wisely. Don't panic. Try to nail your entries. Do it with the 30 Market Moves coach. Let's roll.